Hey there, and welcome to our video today. We're going to be talking about some of the benefits of buying with VA financing and how to take advantage of this opportunity in Fairbanks, Alaska. The first great benefit of a VA home loan is that they allow all single-family residences. So that includes all single families up to a duplex, a triplex, and a fourplex. Pretty awesome. So if we consider the same math for Staff Sergeant Snuffy as before, instead of buying that duplex, they bought a fourplex. So they've got two of their tenants paying their mortgage at $1,500 a month per unit. So they've got a total income for all of their units at $4,500 every month. So $3,000 of that comes out and covers their mortgage. They've got an extra $1,500 that's coming in that's taking care of any kind of additional utilities that they might have and any other expenses that they may have. So instead of losing money every month, they're cash flowing $1,500 every month. So instead of that $5,403.38 that they were making every month, now they're making $6,903.38. So if we take 10% of that number, we've got $690.33 a month that they're saving. After saving $690.33 a month for 36 months, they're sitting at $24,851.88 saved after 3 years. That is incredible. So you might be wondering, how much of a down payment do we need to get started into a deal like this? Goose egg. $0. No money down for a deal like this, as long as you qualify for a VA loan. Now, you'll still need your earnest money, as we had talked about in other videos, your skin in the game for the buyer, but not having a down payment is a pretty significant advantage for the buyer, especially if you're moving from one area in the lower 48 or anywhere else to Fairbanks, Alaska. Not having very much money is kind of par for the course when you're coming up here. So not having enough money for a down payment goes without saying. Additionally, with a VA loan, you don't have mortgage insurance. So that could be an extra couple $100 a month in savings that you're not having to spend in a monthly payment that's going directly into your pocket. So another benefit of the VA loan. Thinking about moving to Fairbanks? Well, click on the link below for my free relocation guide where I talk about top schools, top neighborhoods, and so much more. Another benefit of the VA loan is that VA financing is one of the most kind of friendly and flexible underwriting guidelines out there. So if you're sitting there with some pretty high debt to income ratio and a pretty low credit score, but you also qualify for a VA loan, don't fret. You might be able to use the VA loan to your advantage to actually qualify to get into homeownership. You don't have to sit and wonder what might be. It's worth having a conversation with a lender. How do you find a lender? What are the steps that you need to go through? Well, first, kind of figure out who is the right lender for you. What should be the qualifications of the person that you're looking for that's going to meet your goals? What are your goals? For me, if I'm looking for a lender in Fairbanks, Alaska, I want somebody that's local. I want somebody that knows what it's like to do a deal in Fairbanks, because if you've looked at any of our videos or watched anything that I've ever said about buying or selling a home in Fairbanks, you know that it's different. Everything in Fairbanks, Alaska is different. So somebody that knows what it's like to buy or sell a home in Fairbanks, that's who I want to work with. I don't want to work with somebody that isn't in Fairbanks. That's for sure. I also want to find somebody that's going to get me a pretty good rate. I want somebody that's going to be able to shop all over the country and find me something that's going to fit me as a buyer. And while they're shopping for me as a buyer, I want them to save me as much money as possible going into this transaction. For me, that choice is easy. My first choice on any home loan like this is Bethany Yoakum at First Rate Financial. She is fantastic, and she has always been a rock star for my clients. I'm going to drop her link to her application page in the description below. Check her out. She is the absolute best. The other cool thing about Bethany is that she's dealing with VA loans just about every single day, all day, every day. VA loans are majority of what are being used to purchase homes in Fairbanks anyway. VA home loan is an awesome program for those that are eligible and qualify for it, especially if you're active duty, guard, reserve, or surviving spouse of a veteran. Definitely look into see if you qualify or if you're eligible for a VA loan. And if you think you might be, or if you have questions about whether or not you might be, absolutely give a call to Bethany Yoakum, or you can give us a call at 907-885-0316. You can also reach out to us on our website at fbxhomesearch.com. Thanks and have a great day.